Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LPM Public School, Bola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the sphere and chord of sphere and the chord of hemisphere. So the question number 3. Question number 3. The question is find the total surface area of the hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere 10 centimeter and pi equal to 3.14. Pi equal to 3.14. Now find the total surface area. Total surface area of hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square and 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 1 4, 3 3s are 9, 0 centimeter square. So equal to 942 centimeter square is the total surface area of a hemisphere. Is the total surface area of a hemisphere. Clear? Next question. Next question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface area of the balloon in the two cases. Sir, radius number 4, radius of balloon 7 centimeter. Radius of balloon when air is pumped equal to 14 centimeter. The surface area before the air being entered and surface area after the air being entered. So the surface area before air 4 pi r1 square upon surface area surface area after air equal to 4 pi r2 square. So 4 pi cancel, that's equal to r1 square upon r2 square. Now 7 into 7 upon 14 into 14, that's equal to 1 upon 4, and the ratio 1:4. The ratio in the two cases, the ratio are in the two cases are 1:4. Clear? Next question. Question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of ₹60 per 100 centimeter square. The inner radius of bowl. Inner radius of bowl 10.5 upon 2 centimeter. Because the diameter of inner radius is given, so find the curved surface area of inner of bowl equal to 2 pi r square equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2, 10.5 by 2, 1.5 and 2 cancel, 2, 11. So 11 into 1.5 into 10.5 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of bowl. Now we multiply to get the 15 multiply 11, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 6, 1, 16.5 and 10. 173.25 centimeter square. The cost of tin plating, cost of tin plating, cost of tin plating at 100 centimeter square is equal to rupees 173.25 into 16 upon 100 into 16 upon 100. Now now 173.25 into 16 . That's equal to 2772.00 upon 100 equal to rupees 27.72. 27.72. Clear? So this is the now the next question of this, so we raise it. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154. In this question, surface area is given. Surface area is 154 centimeter square. 154 centimeter square. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area 4 pi r square. 154 equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. So 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22 equal to r square. 7 into 7 upon 2 into 2 equal to r square, and r is equal to under root 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. So r is equal to 7 by 2 and r is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 5 centimeter is the radius of sphere. 3.5 centimeter is the radius of square. Now the surface area is given, then we find the radius of an sphere. So the radius of an sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Clear? Now thank you.